Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Fresh day, new day. Let's see how much money we can make. Let's go see if we can make us some shmoney today. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. This is going to be a great day. Let's go. Hey, y'all. So we got our first order. His name is Jim at Bagel Brothers. You guys, $7.25. Going 3 miles, y'all. It's a good way to start the day. At least we on the board, y'all. So let's go get Jim order. We got the goods, y'all. Let's go take Jim his order so we can get back up here. I got a good feeling about today, y'all. Let's go. Guys, we just delivered Jim's order. It was a hand to me, so I met him. You guys, I was having phone issues, but we're gonna still count that as a delivery, okay, you guys? Sorry you guys couldn't see the hand to me. See y'all at the next delivery. Y'all, we got our second order of today, and it's at Arbys, you guys. $8.75 for 3 miles. Let's go get it. So we got a little wait inside the Arbys. I do that though. Let's see this A. Y'all see the Arbys A? Yeah, so we're gonna be waiting for a couple of minutes, y'all. I feel good about today though. The DoorDashes, we're gonna do one more together after this one. Then I'm gonna do the rest by myself. But I don't know, it's been a good day, y'all. I just feel good. You know, what else can you expect? What else can you want? You know, I think I was tired too yesterday because I was just tired, y'all. Me and Will went out. We had date night, and I had to go to work. Like, it was crazy. But anyway, y'all, I was tired. So, excuse the lack of energy on the last video. It is what it is. Y'all know how it is sometimes. But I'll let y'all know when James' order get ready. All right. We got the goods, y'all. Let's go deliver. Let's go take him his order. Hi. Thank you so much for your business. Bye. Hey y'all, we just leaving James' beautiful property. Let's go do some more deliveries. Y'all, we at Panera Bread. Now, since I opened the app, I'm not sure what's going on yet with this order, but I do know, I could have sworn it said 2 pickup and deliveries, 5 miles, $17.58 for Panera, but it's only 1 order showing, y'all. So I don't know, we gonna see. I don't know, maybe if I confirm the first pickup, it'll shoot me straight to the next one, but we'll find out. Let's go in here and get this On, that's his name, On's order. Let's go. Y'all, let's go deliver. Y'all, it was 2 orders. They was just different. I had to confirm once I picked up each one, but they both was ready, so let's go deliver. Owen's house, and one thing I can tell you guys right now is Owen, y'all, he need an exterminator. And if Owen think I'm about to walk on this porch with all these beehives, he got another thing coming. But let's go on and drop his stuff off to the right there. Y'all gonna see. Thank you for your business. Then he come, yeah, y'all, then he come out like he don't know they right there. He got me twisted. Gonna look all around. He was like, Y'all, we at Trivy house. That was the second person named Trivy. Okay, y'all, we gotta go take Trippy Day food and leave it on the little table. That's what the note say. All right, let's hope it's not no bees hanging around there. Let's go, y'all. Thank you for your business. Hey y'all, so that was our last order together, and thank you guys for coming to work with me today. See you on the next video.